this new video, and I hope you like it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do some glitches from Roblox. So the first one is like this. Go that and just stop. It's pretty easy. And the corner clip is like this and do that. It's easy. And the dance clip is like you type this /e dance that. I don't I I quite know I don't sorry guys, I don't quite know this one. Sorry if I took some long time, but here. I'm gonna just skip this and you can just watch some other videos, okay? I'm sorry guys. So this is like this. Climb up, climb down. It's easy. One is like climb and move your character around. And this one, you just do this and shift lock and jump. And this is the other one I showed you. It's just moving your character around. And this head slide is to this and shift lock again. And it's and I think okay there and jump. It's easy. And this and that. Let's do it again so you can see. Just shift just like this and go normal. It's like that. This is easy too. You just climb it with shift lock and you will do it. Do this and jump. If I didn't do it on the first try, hopefully on the second. And I did it. So this is the last glitch guys, and I cannot finish all of this because it would take a long time, but like and subscribe, and remember, I love you guys.